Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel OJ Marketing. In today's video, it's gonna be an amazing strategy right here that I've never shown you before on my channel, and this strategy will actually involve us making money right here in an amazing way with Leonardo AI right now. This strategy not only can go on to making you hundreds of dollars each and every single day, which is why I advise you also go on to watching the video right now to the end so as not to miss out on any important step or trick which I'm going to show you right here in this video. And if you're new to the channel OJ Marketing, make sure you do hit the like button to the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification bell on all, because I usually create videos on ways you could go on to making money online. And if you like such content, there are a lot of videos to help you out right here. The notification bell that you're going to turn on all after subscribing will actually help you get alerted whenever I do release much more cool videos to help you make extra income online. So diving right ahead into the video of today, like I said, I'm going to show you how you could go into making money right now with Leonardo AI in a very cool and amazing way. If you don't know about Leonardo AI is a very cool platform that you can utilize to go onto creating or bringing your imaginations to life. And there's a cool platform where you could go on to turning a simple text prompt into an image right now. That's how cool this actually is. If you go on to sign up to the platform right there, you can sign up for free right now on Leonardo AI. And if you do go onto the home page, you can actually do see more details about the home page. That all these images right here, which you can see, were generated with the help of this particular AI tool right now by people utilizing the AI. If you want to just simply check out much more details about a specific image, you want to just simply select the image, you'll be able to see the text prompt that was used to generate this image right now. This is how cool the text prompt actually is. You can copy that right now if you want to use that to actually go on to generating a very cool kind of image. So you can actually do go on to creating yours right now if you do want to right now. Maybe you could come onto this image section, which is the image generation section. While on this section, guys, all you need to do is to come right here to this section and you want to just simply go on to typing in a text prompt. Maybe I can actually do come right here and change this particular fine-tune model to something quite cool. Maybe I can actually go into selecting 3D animation style. Maybe I want to create something similar to 3D. So what I'm going to do right now is to change this text prompt. I'm just simply going to type in something like a cyberpunk hamster. A cyberpunk hamster holding a gun on the streets of New York. But before you actually do click on generate, guys, you need to take note of the amount of tokens that will actually be used right now to generate this. As you can see, it's going to use 2 tokens right now. You can actually do see right here that I have about 450 tokens to utilize every single day. And guys, this token right here is actually going to go on to refreshing every single day right now, no matter how I actually do use it right there. But it's going to just simply be 150 tokens per day because I'm utilizing a free account. You can see right here that this is actually based on also on the number of pages right now, or the number of images that will be generated from that single prompt. Because I'm utilizing 2 images, that's why you can see that these are actually 2 tokens. You could go into editing much more details about this right here, such as dimensions of the image, and once you're done, click on generate right now and your image will actually be generated in just simply a matter of some seconds right now. And that's how this AI tool actually works. That's one of the beauties of the AI tool, that in a matter of some seconds right now, your content will actually be generated, and the content is actually going to go on to looking up quite outstanding. You can see right now that this content right now is just like a cyberpunk hamster holding a gun on the street of New York. I can just simply click on download and this image will be downloaded on my device. The next thing which you want to do right now, because I said I'm going to show you how you could use this particular platform to make money online, and this is going to be an amazing way, guys, because we're going to be leveraging the printing on demand business model. And guys, don't leave this particular video right now because I'm going to walk you through how you can actually do this right now. If you're not familiar with the printing on demand business model, you actually do find out that the print on demand business model is actually a business model where products are only produced when your customers actually make some orders for that right there. As you can see, when it's a business model where products such as apparels, accessories or home decorations are produced only when an order is received. And this actually helps us to go on to eliminating the need for inventory management and upfront costs. So guys, here's an example of how the business model actually works. Customers go on to placing order right now after seeing your digital product right there, or a design of some particular kinds of accessories, apparels, or home decorations. And once they actually do see that, guys, and make some purchase right now or order for that, the printing on demand platform which you're actually going to be utilizing is just simply going to go on to creating that design and bringing that to life right now. And once it brings that to life and prints the designs on some items right there, is actually going to go on to shipping that to your customers, and both the profit that you're actually going to get right now are going to be shared by both you and the company that actually go on to printing that right there. So this is a very cool business model right now. All you need to be doing is to come up with some amazing designs and go on to advertising such designs. And platforms which you can use for the printing on demand business model are actually quite numerous. An example is the Printify right here. This is an amazing platform right now where you could go on to creating custom products right now, and you can see that this is actually 100% free to use platform. It actually has about 900 plus high quality products you can go on to utilizing for your printing on demand business model, and it is the largest global print network. All you need to do is to create cool designs, just like as you can see right now, and insert on products like t-shirts, hoodies, bags, mugs, and a lot more other cool stuff right now. If you scroll through, guys, you can actually do see more details right there. You can also go on to checking out the other printing on demand platform called Printify. This is also a very cool one right now that I advise you can also go on to taking advantage of. But one right that is actually amazing is also the Tspring.com. This is also a printing on demand business model that you can also leverage right now. So if you go on to sign up for this particular platform right now, as you can see, I'm logged into my account right here. You want to come onto this section right here that says create, and you can actually scroll through. You'll be able to see lots of different products right now that you can actually go on to inserting your designs on and go on to selling that right now. Supposing I want to just simply utilize this product right here, I'm just going to click on that right now. You're actually going to be able to see more details right here of which I can actually go into designing my product. I can actually select the colors I actually want right now to be shown for that particular product. As you can see, there are different colors right now. So once I actually do that right there, you can actually go on to clicking on add image, which is actually the image that you also went on to downloading from that particular AI tool called the Leonardo AI right now. So if you do download an image right now, you just need to come right to this section and upload the image by clicking on add image. If you do click on that right now, you want to select the image right now. As you can see, the image has actually been added. So I can actually then go on to increasing the size of the image right now. As you can see, I've actually increased the size of the image. This image is not actually quite cool right now. Maybe I need to go on to editing or utilizing another image. Maybe if I want to utilize this image right now, as you can see, this is actually quite better. And this is just for the front section of this particular stuff right now. I can actually go on to change into the back. If I want to leave the back plain, I can do that right now. Or if I want to just simply add an image, I can also add that. You could also go on to adding text right there, and you can actually do see right here that this is the amount which you are actually going to be selling this product for, but this is the profit which you're actually going to be making right now, and that's actually the profit per sale. You can actually check out the advanced section to see out more other settings that you can just simply go on to editing right now. So once you're done, click on continue. It's going to take you to the next stage, which is actually the style section. As you can see right now, it actually starts from the design, moving on to the styles right now. And you can see for the styles, you need to just simply go on to selecting some cool styles of hoodies, t-shirts, and some other cool stuff that are actually going to go on to fit in your brand. So if I select this one right now, as you can see, that has actually has been selected. You can actually go on to seeing right here that this is the prices right here that this will be sold for, and this is also the profits that you'll be making right now. So you could keep on scrolling through. You'll be able to see lots of cool printing on demand business platforms that you can actually go on to utilizing and just simply create something quite cool or outstanding design with the help of Leonardo AI. So once you come right here, click on continue right now. It's going to bring you right here to this page where you just simply need to insert a very cool title and a very cool description right there. You can go on to the advanced section and check out other details right here. As you can see right now, you can go on to editing the URL. You can check out the visibility right now, and this should actually be on public. you could also go on to add in an existing store, and that's actually a very cool thing which you actually need to go on to doing right now. You could actually go on to creating an existing store online right now, maybe with the help of Shopify or with the help of other platforms right there, like Etsy right now. As you can see, this is Etsy. You could just simply go on to creating an online store on this platform, and if you analyze the platform based on similar web statistics, you actually do find out that Etsy actually gets about 536.2 million visits or views to its videos in the last 28 days right now. If you keep on scrolling through, guys, you can actually do see, guys, where most of his traffic comes from, and most of his traffic are actually from countries like the United States right now, United Kingdom, Canada, Germany, and Australia. These are actually the top 5 countries that visit this website the most, and each of these countries are actually a top tier country with a very cool buying power, which might actually go on to boosting your income rate that you're actually going to be getting right now. So basically what you want to do is just simply to head back to that printing on demand platform, and you can actually go on to creating an online shop. But you can actually come right here to this Etsy platform, create an online shop right now, and that is actually quite easy to do. All you need to do is to sign up for an account. Once you sign up right there and actually go on to logging into your account consistently, guys, right there, you can actually do see right now that a lot of people are making money on this platform. As you can see, this particular product, which is a t-shirt, is sold for about $23 right now, and this person has actually gotten about 8.1 thousand reviews, and that's actually quite cool right here. About 40% of people do not go on to leaving reviews on products, meaning that this person has made at least this 8.1 thousand sales right now. That means the person must have made far more than this, and this is just for this particular product, which is t-shirt right now. If you do keep on scrolling through, you'll be able to see a lot of other cool stuff right there. So all you need to do is just simply to create an online shop right now, and you can actually then go on to linking that to your Tspring printing on demand platform. And if you link that right there, once people do place purchase on that particular product right there, which they're actually going to be able to see on Etsy, this platform right here called Tspring is automatically going to help you go on to bringing that particular design to life which your customer just purchased, and you are and the company, which is Tspring, are actually going to go on to sharing the profit. That's how cool and easy this actually is. So you want to just simply make sure you create amazing and stunning designs that can grab the attention of a lot of individuals, and you can then just simply go on to promoting that right there, utilizing platforms like Etsy. You can utilize Shopify, or you could go on to running paid ads right there. If you do running paid ads right now to promote something that is actually quite cool, you will know that a lot of people will be interested in purchasing that right there. So you just need to go on to doing some cool kind of advertisement and upload that particular or link that particular product which you're actually creating into many online shops right there, and actually start getting a lot of income. So this is a very cool strategy right here that you can just simply utilize just by utilizing both the Leonardo AI and any printing on demand platform, be it Printify, Printful, Tspring, and a lot more other printing on demand platforms right now. So I do hope the video was helpful. If yes, do hit the like button to the video. You want to just simply go on to subscribing to the channel and turn on your notification bell on all. That's it for now. Thank you for watching. See you all in my next video, and goodbye.